I'm up in the scene now, like I'm ready to bang. All the fake Barbies just wanna pretend. Like, bro, let me go find me a pen. Where life, now I'm a pretty success. She a Barbie bitch with her Barbie clip. I keep dragging her so she bald a bit. And I see the bread, I want all of it. And I want the green, so I all of it. And I throw it back so he losing it. And I get the box with no shoes in it. And I know the trick, so I got him.
Sticky butt butts. Okay, y'all, this is not a trucking video. It's more like a personal video. Look at the puppies. Betty? Betty, don't go too far. You hear me? Y'all is some pissy motherfuckers. Like, y'all is pissing everywhere we go. Look at that. Look at that. Go, Chunky. Yeah, Chunky got a collar today. Oh, you got a poo-poo? Stop, Chunky. Leave him alone. You got a poo-poo? Get it out. You was throwing up earlier. Go over in the grassy area over there. Did you shit? Yep, sure did. They say you gotta make sure you look at your dog stuff. Chunky, don't be eating nothing. Pissing again. Crazy. Look at Fetty. He be trying to get the birds. What the fuck is wrong with him? You going in the water? Hey, give me your harness. Come here. Come here. Look at him. He run fast in the motherfucker. Come here, bud. Come here. Betty, if you gonna go get in the water, let me take it off. Come here. Betty, come here. Betty. Come here, buddy. Hey. Okay, he's so happy. No, because I ain't got time to be washing that damn thing. You hear me? Come on. I'm gonna walk this way. Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Hey! And pissing on every tree. I swear, how do you even accumulate that much piss? I don't know. But I really want to go to the ocean. And I can't get to no water, so this is the closest water that I could get. I mean, we got some lakes and stuff, but that's probably like a 20-30 minute drive. This is really just up the street. I love the reflection off the water. Hey! Chunky, Fatty! You know what I be doing with them? I let them out at home. When I come home and I make them shake, I say, you gonna go outside, you gonna run around, just don't go to nobody's house, and you come back, you hear me? And then we'll shake. They both got a shake on it. Promise me you gonna come back. Cause my kids be acting funny like they ain't gonna come back or something. Chunky, Betty!
right here in the city. Run from where we come from.
They always come back. They be wandering and stuff, you know. Hey!
To this life, but goddamn, you got justice. I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to the fun sex.
Come here, boy.
Your soft skin, your
There they go.
big ass
Look at him.
sundress.
Good job.
When I see that
Look
thing
at Chucky
move,
way back here. He can't run. Good job. Look at him. Look at him. That's my stinky-dinky-dink. Come on, Chucky. Come on. Come on, Chuck. Look at Chucky. Look at it. He coming. He coming. It's going to take a bit, but he coming a little shortly. Look at him. Good job, buddy. You want some water? You want some water, Chucky? See, when they go on a run. Hey, take them harnesses off. Why are you drinking that water? Oh, let me turn my camera around. Look at him. Oh, Lord, now y'all gonna make me have to wash them. Now I gotta wash them. I just told y'all, let me take them off. And y'all didn't listen to shit I said. Just like some kids. Don't be going where it's deep now. Because you know I ain't jumping in there. Betty, that's looking a little deep. That's looking a little deep. They gonna be stinky. I don't understand how some people be smelling like wet dog. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all be smelling like wet dog. That's y'all DNA. That's why y'all love animals so much. You hear me? Why do Fetty be chasing the birds like that? Why does he do that? He really think he about to get a bird. Why don't you leave them birds alone? Why you fucking with the birds? Good job, my stink. That's my buddy, man. Fetty's my nigga. Come here, stinking. You done got wet. Oh, shit. What you eating? What's that? Quit eating shit. What you eating? I don't know what he eating. Then his ass be throwing up. Chunky? What is that? How they leave a water hose thing over here? What is that? Be careful, boys. Be careful in that water, okay? Chunky, don't keep drinking that water. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He be thinking he about to catch a bird. If I see you kill one of them birds, pow, I'ma knock your ass out. Watch out for them rocks. Go around. Go around, Chunky. Good job, Betty. We gonna be out here till it get dark, y'all. Then we gotta go. Ooh, what was that? Be careful, Fatty. Get up out of there. I don't want you hurting your foot. You hear me? Ooh, this is nice. Look. Okay. Cause I used to live, every house that I done had, majority of them, I make sure the water is close to me. You know, in the backyard or the front yard. And it's been like that for a while. This house, I didn't. So now I gotta retreat to some water that's close. But when I move, you know I'm going to the ocean now. I've been saying that all my life. You know, when CJ graduate, it's time. I done told him. Shit, the rent I pay up here, I could pay down there. That ass. They over at the Holland Truck. Get it, Chris. Get it, Chris. Get it, Chris. You should see my dogs when they be watching me dance. I know they be like, my mama crazy. Watch them rocks. Hey, you better, hey, get up out of that before you hurt your fucking leg. Cause I ain't got time to go to nobody that your ass gon' be. Hey, Chucky, what y'all doing? What y'all doing? I swear I be hollering at them like some motherfucking kids. Get up out that grass. That's how you be getting bugs up on you. Your ass be itching. Get up out of there. Chucky, I can't even see you. Get your black ass up out of there. Hey! Come here! Get up out of there! Chucky! Come on! Y'all ready to go? Y'all ain't listening. Yeah, get up out of there before you get bugs up on you. Snake up in there or something. Yeah. I swear I be hollering at them like they some damn little ass kids, bro. Look at this sky. Ain't it beautiful? This is when y'all gotta come outside, see? This is when you really enjoy outside. And you know what I'm about to do. Take these motherfucking shoes off. Yes, I am. You hear me? What I do on my day off. This is what I do on my day off. This is what I do on my day off. Get in some grass. Get bottled water. Rub on some nature. You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? You hear me? Where's my puppies at? 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 Hey, birdie! Enjoy outside. And you know what I'm about to do. Take these motherfucking shoes off. Yes, I am. You hear me? This is what I do on my day off. This is what I do on my day off. This is what I do on my day off. Get in some grass. Get bottled water. Rub on some nature. You hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Where's my puppies at? Where's my puppies at? Where's my puppies at? Where's my Hey, birdie! Hey, birdie! Look at this. Look. Look at that. Look. Do you see what I see? Hey. I don't know what all them bugs doing, but back up. Back up. Back up for me. Oh, wow. Look at that, Fed. Look at that, Chunky. Look at that. What's in the sky? What's that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I see you up there. I know you up there anyway. I don't know what people thinking about, okay? Hey! Hey! You better stop all that growling and shit. Making me scream. What's wrong with you, boy? Stop doing that, Chunky. Yeah, I'm trying to get some peace over here. Quit fighting that boy. He always trying to fight him. Come on, it's getting dark. See? Y'all need to learn how to play right. Come here, Fed. Look at that. Hey, Fatty, Chucky. Where's Fatty? What is you doing? Now you ain't about to get in my front seat like that. Why'd you go do that? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go swim. You want to swim? Go ahead. Now you gonna have to take a bath? You know it. And I gotta wash them damn holsters. Come on. I don't know why y'all even did that. Look at that. Oh, I need some pictures. I need some pictures with that background, baby. And that's some natural shit right there, baby. You hear me? Look, that's some natural shit. I love it. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at how beautiful that is. Come on, Fed. Thank you. I'm so appreciative of this time. My baby's gonna get some good sleep. They gonna get some good sleep. But I don't know, y'all. They just really fat. They ain't been eating that dog food. I think it's messed up. But I gotta go get some groceries. I'm about to lay these towels down because I knew they was gonna jump in the water. I really intended for them to, you know. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Come on. We almost there. We almost there, stinking. Look at Chunky. Look at Fetty. Fetty be gone. Y'all done pissed on every tree out this motherfucker. Is that what, does that help the trees grow? You see the side of his face where they been fighting? You see that shit? Not one side. Look at both sides. You hear me? Toe up. Toe up. Betty got one too. I said, oh no. Y'all will not, because they boys. You know, one day when I get a bigger house with some more yard, and I'm going to get them some bitches. I'm going to get them some bitches, and they going to be daddies. Ain't you? You going to be a daddy? You going to be a good daddy, ain't you? Yeah, they got to experience that in their life. I'm going to have some bully puppies, way back, and I'm going to have some pit bull puppies. Hold on. Let me lay the towel down. Get your farts out now. I do not want to pick your stank ass up. I swear. You okay? Wait. Oh, that stinks. Come on, Fed. Betty!
I'm on this show the week of the fight. It's going to be fun.
Hey, I'm getting on the highway. Sit down.
Resort in Las
Sit
Vegas.
down.
If you would like to attend.
Sit down, Chunky. Betty, sit. I'm about to get on the highway.
Join the email list to be invited.
Betty.
HBHappyHourCrew@gmail.com.
Betty, sit.
HBHappyHourCrew@gmail.com.
Get on the highway, buddy.
First and last name. Here's the thing, though. You have to be 21.
I gotta go
years of age
fast.
or older to 10.
Yeah, Betty, you got a friend. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me.